Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos. I am back with the March Madness daily giveaway, and this is the first one today. There will be 3 giveaways today. It is the last day, boo-hoo-hoo, but we've had a lot of fun with this. I've given away loads and loads of goodies, so get hold of your numbers and get ready, because the first one that we're going to do is for these, where are we? I'm going to be giving away these 2 gorgeous, beautiful you cards. So we've got 2 cards to give away for the first giveaway of today. And let's have a look and see who the winner is. And all these goodies you see on here are to be given away today. But the first one, the first draw, which are for these lovely 2 cards, the winner is... I'll have a good swizz around. Oh, and I've got one in my hand. It's number 165. So that's for these 2 gorgeous cards. Now keep an eye out, because I am doing another couple of draws later on today. I'm going to spread them out throughout the day, and a lot more goodies to give away. I'm going to do another 3 more, so there would be 4 in total today. So keep watching and good luck. So well done to number 165. Please email me your name and address. The email address is in the description below, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.